Welcome back to Dino's Kitchen. Is this you? With all the leftover pasta in the cupboard and some peas in the freezer. If this is you, let's make a one-pot pasta. Pasta e piselli. Facciamo. Let's dice some onion. Now let's add an Italian twist. I'm gonna use some parma ham. You can use bacon, guanciale, pancetta. We're gonna save a few slices for the garnish and we're gonna use the rest for the pasta. Guarda, non è che ha tagliato il suo coso. Slice in half, slice half again. That's what we want. Start with parma ham, medium-low heat.
Bongo solo!
We wanna sweat the parma ham off for a few minutes. Now we can go with the onion. At this stage, we can go with the peas. As you can see, I didn't add any salt because the parma ham is already quite salty. I will add salt at the end. After a few minutes, we can go with water. We want to add enough water to cover all the peas and leave roughly a finger worth of water. Leave to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, grab whatever you have left over in the cupboard. Roughly we are looking about 300 grams of pasta. Mannaggia. Try to break the pasta in the bowl. I'll share with you a little secret about this pasta. We're gonna create a mix of egg and parmesan that will help to create a very nice cream. I'm gonna need a bowl, some good parmesan, and grate the shit out of it. Il miglior formaggio al mondo. 2 eggs. We can set that aside. Our stock is boiling. We can taste and decide if we need more salt or not. Definitely need a little bit of salt. Before we add the pasta, we're gonna get a few peas out and transform them into a cream. Get the onion, the parma, get everything into it, trust me. Lower the temperature a little bit and we can add the pasta. The pasta will cook for roughly 8 to 10 minutes. Let's take care about the pea cream. Touch of olive oil, few leaves of basil, our pea cream is ready. We're gonna grab the parma ham that we saved before, chuck in the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes. That's the result. Cool it down and we're gonna use as a garnish. When we reach this kind of consistency, turn it off, go with the pea cream. According to my cameraman, camerawoman,
thank you.
That is the best pasta you can pick. The reason why is because he scoop all the chuch and the peas and the pasta and everything inside. Is a chuch scoop. We can then go with our egg mix. The reason why I've put the egg mix at the very end is because if the temperature is too hot, we're gonna just make a scrambled egg pasta.
Yummy!
That's the sound you want. Let's put some basil into it. Little touch of olive oil. We will leave that to rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, that's the consistency that we are looking for. But most important, the sound, baby. Chi se bello vi attivasse Basil, belli, eh? Creamy and crispy.
Oh my God!
My friend, I got bad. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you soon. Mamma mia.